Hi there, Jack Huang here from RosterElf, and I'm excited to show you how to use the staff availability and leave overlay. With this overlay, you can instantly see who is available, who is away, and who is on leave when scheduling shifts. Let's dive straight in. How to activate the availability overlay. Click the availability button to switch the overlay on. Confirm the overlay appears on the roster so you can see colored lines and labels for each employee. How to read staff availability on the roster. A solid green line across the shift means the employee is fully available. A partial green line shows the employee is available only during the displayed hours. No green line and the word unavailable tell you the employee cannot work that shift. A red line with the word leave shows the employee is on leave and should not be rostered. That's everything you need to know about using the staff availability and leave overlay. If you have any questions, our friendly support team is always here to help. Happy rostering, and I'll see you next time.